This is Jimmy Akingbade. I am Project Management Professional Certified. I'm also certified in the areas of HSE, Health, Safety and Environment, and ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. So today we'll be looking at one of the critical concepts in project management called the work breakdown structure. To simply explain what the work breakdown structure means, I'll draw an analogy from motivational speakers. They usually say if you have a very big goal that seems too enormous for you to achieve, you break it down into smaller goals. The intention is if you can easily manage, control, and achieve the smaller goals, you succeed in achieving the big goal that seemed enormous. So the work breakdown structure is simply that. It's a breakdown of your project work into smaller components. Those smaller components, when they are easily managed, controlled, and achieved, they help you to achieve and manage your project successfully. So let's take an example of a software project. A project to develop a software for a company that will be used by their human resource department. So that project work can be divided into several components. So one of the components would be requirements gathering. That simply involves determining the requirements or expectations of the clients. So what do they want to use the software to do? Is it to automate their payroll system? Is it to help them in recruitment and probably staff appraisal? Then you have another component which involves the coding or the programming, developing the software itself by writing the codes that would help the software to run or function properly. Then another component is testing. So testing simply means you want to confirm if the software is actually working, if it's actually delivering the intended functions. So each of these components can be further broken down into smaller components. So if we take testing for example, testing can be broken down into unit testing and user acceptance testing. Unit testing simply means we test the individual components or modules of the software separately. So for example, we can test the payroll module, we can test the recruitment module separately. Then for user acceptance testing, it simply means the user, the client, comes to test the software to see if it is meeting their expectations. So the lowest level of the work breakdown structure is your work package. So how do you know a work package? A work package, when broken down, consists of activities. So if we take unit testing for example, it can contain activities such as writing the code for the test and then also debugging. So the work breakdown structure has an advantage such that it enables you to include all the work involved in the project. It helps you not to miss out any work involved in the project. In fact, we have a rule called the 100% rule, which says any work that's not included in the work breakdown structure is meant for another project entirely. So the work breakdown structure should also be created by the project team. It's not something that can be effectively created by one individual. So the project manager should lead the session for creating the work breakdown structure, but you should get inputs from team members. So thank you for your time. You can follow me on social media on my handle, through my handle, Jimmy Akingbade, JIMIAKINGBADE, JIMIAKINGBADE. You can also follow me through Capacity Edge on social media. Thank you for your time. Have a great week. Bye.